Hey, it's Maria Jernigan, founder of Redshift Education. Today I'm going to show you how you can save your progress in the middle of your play session so that you, or if you're playing a two-player, you and your partner can save where you are in the game and come back and finish later. It is a paid feature, so any of the full paid games, you'll be able to save your progress and come back later. So for example, I'm going to show today La Cuarentena Parte Uno. All right, this is the magical screen. We're just starting our game. So I'm going to hit start new game, but I want you to remember this screen because the screen is going to be important later when we want to come back and load our progress, okay? Let's pretend that we made it super far and we're like, oh man, we just don't want to lose our progress, right? Look in the top right corner, you'll see there's some options, there's some icons there, and you see there's one with a little save icon with a T next to it. So hit T on your keyboard and you boom, you get this little pop-up. This nifty thing says you and your partners, if you've got one, you and your partner's save code is LC0N in this case. So I'm going to hit copy code. And this just, you could throw it in a Google Doc. You can text this to your partner if you're playing in multiplayer. You can put this in your notes or Google Keep, wherever you want. I'm going to put it here just for show today. And then look, here's that screen I told you was really important. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this code into this load progress bar right here next time that you want to play. So once you've written down the save code somewhere safe, you can just close the tab. You're all done. So now it's the next day and I want to launch the game again, but I want to pick up where I left off, right? So let's hit play now back at the library. All right, back at this screen, but this time we've got a save code from last session. So go to wherever your save code is saved, copy it, paste it, boom, press enter, and you are in the game. You'll probably start here, I think, every time back at your little house, your starting point. But whatever progress you made on your map, whoever you spoke with, whatever you found, whatever accomplishments you made, whatever achievements you unlocked, etc., that will all be preserved when you or you and your partner, if you're playing a two-player, come back after launching from a save code.